Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Warchef at Vareva.com. Today, I'm just going to make you a very simple, it's a chicken and cluster bean recipe, but I'm going to boil in oil the chicken and the cluster beans. All I do is take hot oil, but not too hot. So in this, we're going to add this cut cluster beans. When you add, it's not going to fry. The oil is not really hot. We're going to keep the temperature of the oil low so that these cluster beans are slowly cooked in the oil, kind of boiling. While the cluster beans are boiling, chicken also I'm going to cut the same size as the beans. Chicken cut into smaller pieces, cut this into thin strips. And now I'm going to add this chicken also along with this cluster beans. The chicken is also not frying, it is kind of boiling in this oil. Like this, you're going to cook it for like 7-8 minutes. By the time the chicken is also nice and tender, perfect, after which I'm going to show you how to add the masalas. Around 8 to 10 minutes, the beans is all cooked, and now we're going to drain off the oil. In a lot of Chinese cooking, you see they fry the meat, but this is not frying. You can see the steam coming out. I'm going to keep this aside. In the same thing, I'm going to add some oil, and in this, I'm going to add chopped onion. You can make it into a slightly gravy or slightly dry. To this, you can add some salt and cook it till it is slightly golden in color. When the onions are slightly, colored, we're going to add some ginger garlic paste, pinch of turmeric just to get a nice coloring. And here, I'm going to add tomato puree. This will give the required moisture. If you want to add, you can also add a little bit of water. What do you want to do with this? You want to make it a gravy, then add a little more water, add all the spices. You want it to be slightly dry and flavorful, you can just cook with this masalas. A little bit of cumin powder, some coriander powder, pinch of garam masala. Here you can also add pepper powder if you're making it dry. Otherwise add little red chili powder. In this add a little bit of kasuri methi. I'm going to have it slight gravy, not too much. So the beans, look at the color. The color is intact. It did not discolor like the way it happens when you boil it. If you want it dry like this, it's also fine. But if you want a little bit of gravy, just add some water. And you can also add some cream to this and it will taste too good. So look at the consistency now. Perfect. And now I'm going to check the salt. Nice rich flavor. Perfect. Pinch of salt. Just to enhance it a little bit, I'm going to add some cream. This will come out nice and silky gravy, but the chicken is perfect. It's nicely cooked. I just bring it to a nice, simmering point and switch off the flame and let's taste it. Easy. And the chicken boiled in the oil melts in your mouth, so is the beans. Dear friends, perfect. Try it and let me know how it is. It is very easy to make very delicious dishes. All you need to is follow simple techniques. I hope you enjoyed today's session of learning how to make this, and keep cooking, keep saying Vareva and enjoy life. Very nice, well coated. The beans will taste so good and so perfect. This is amazing. You will just love it. The kids will love it, the grown-ups will love it, and you're getting the awesome richness of iron in these beans along with chicken. Make it and enjoy.